Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
You're gonna do it too.
Smile, Jed. Pagawas pas dila ang kuan. Oh my god. Are you gonna hold
Smile.
it, Jed?
You gotta hold it.
I just want to pet it, that's all.
That means you have to kill it.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
head.
I always get scared when it's like pointing at your head.
Smile. How does the snake feel?
Like this. I'm just counting.
How does the snake feel? Touch. The soft. Touch. Touch it. Touch it up.
Can I pet it?
Yeah, I'll let you go ahead and pet. I'll go ahead and let
You
you
don't
pet
wanna.
him.
You don't wanna.
This puppy's scared.
You don't wanna hold him, okay? I'm scared.
Yeah. You can't.
Everybody.
A big no no.
Oh no.
You only touch it. Jed. Let me take a picture of it. No. Yeah, you can only do that
All right.
No.
who's in-
Maybe this
Right, look here, smile.
is fun.
Oh, the snake's not moving. Now ni Ryan.
after.
What? Wash your hands. No. Wash your hands. Go. Why is he not moving?
What? You're.
Sorry.
Jed, you're
Okay, go
holding
sit down.
it.
Not scared. Brave. Boy, sit down sa derivated. Okay, go inside. Go inside. Altia. Go inside. Come on. Ryan. Ryan, go inside. Okay, go. Okay, one, sit down. Jed, look. 1, 2, 3. Don't move. Turn around your head to Teta. Okay, just turn around. Turn around here, Ted. Sit down properly. Sit down first. Yeah, sit down. Okay, look. Turn around now. Okay.
Isn't this the egg? That looks like the shoe that we showed with the.
Keep it shorted, Jed.
That is the inside?
No, that one.
Well, guys, look what I found. Bro, that's creepy. Look what I found. Brooke, you found that. These look so real. They look real. Kidding staring at me.
Jed. Put it back.
Mom, I just want.
Move it, Jed.
I want to eat it. It's an arowana.
Dako kayo. Look.
I don't know. Oh my God, look. Oh, Mom, remember I went in there.
Pwede sila mag-swimming.
Yeah, you actually, they swim there, Fred.
Swim in there.
But that's so different.
No, Althea, oy. Pakaon ka. Pakaon ka sa isda. Barog sa Althea, bi. Hoy, picture. Gi, picture. Althea, dito sa... Gi, barog. Look at me, Jed. Okay.
Give me a ticket. Give me
Para na. Sama niyo. Tay sa kuwan pa na. Magkuha pa. Ha? Tay, you can touch it.
How did I get? I only want to touch the shell. Mommy, can you?
You can touch it. Oh my God. Oh, Thea, touch it.
Ay, kataslakan. Di man na mo ka mamaap.
Oh, Thea, it won't bite.
Wait sa my love. I will carry you.
Babe, help Jed or Ted. Babe, be careful because it's gonna splash you. Touch it, Gabe. Touch it.
Hiccup na.
Gabe, touch it.
Dili lagi na
Gabe,
mamaap.
touch it. Oh my God.
Dili mo ka, oh. Althea, hiccup ba? Taslakan na siya. Gi, touch. Touch, nak. Nak, guniti si Duding. Si Dudong ba pagunita?
Oh, Thea, look.
I'll tell you, I touched it. So cool. I wonder if you can swim in there. What's that?
Si Dudong nak ba? Guniti nak. Jed, look at me.
Bro, it's right there.
Jed, you want to touch Jed? Okay, come here. Gig touch Jed. Go. Ted,
I do donuts.
Ted, look, Ted. Jed. Go.
Hey, I just tried. Oh, this so weird. No, I touched it, mommy. I touched it.
Don't make with your clothes.
Just don't touch.
Hold it. Touch. Go, Teddy. Do not scared. Kugusa, Althea. Kugusa ba? Di siya kita. Kugusa, nak. Althea, kugusa si Ted.
What the fuck? Oh my god, why is it so cool? Why does it feel so wobbly?
scared, bro. I'm scared.
Go.
I'm trying to feed you.
Go, Althea. Go,
I'm
Ted.
scared.
Here, Ted.
I'm being a scared cat. I already jumped. You're the one that first jumped. Like, is there anyone to touch?
You want to touch? Go, go, go.
It's gonna be.
Go, go. Jed is not scared. Go, Teddy. The slakon. Go, go.
Cute.
Right there. Touch
Okay,
one.
go.
Touch one.
Okay. Go.
Touch one. Touch.
Go.
Did you touch one?
Look, this one. Get the
Go, Ted. Go, Ted.
Wobbly.
Go, go, go.
Go, touch. Touch.
Stop
Don't-
forcing me. I touched it.
The slakon there off.
The big one.
No, I don't.
The slakon?
I
Why
thought
you
said
scared?
you were.
Go.
A1 gets out.
Oh, more. Oh.
A1 gets out.
One at a time. One at a time. Oh, go feed.
Look at these dogs.
Go feed.
Oh,
Go,
how
go.
does that walk?
Feed. Look at me, Ted. Jed, look at me. Look at me, Ted.
Look at the daddy.
Okay, go. Oh, more food. Oh, more food.
No, I already.
Ted, more.
Chill.
Ah, Ted. Yeah. Oh, Ted. Touch the fish.
Oh my god, I touched one. Yeah, you can touch one.
Get touched.
I touched one. I touched your fish.
Get touch.
Oh, your mouths are scary. Yeah, zero. I tell you, I touched the fish. I tell you. No. I touched your fish. You get the fish.
Nak, feed the fish, Nak. Oh.
Mama.
Mm. Wait, Sak. That's for the fish. Jed, your jacket.
Okay. Yeah. I need to find one that's close enough. Yeah.
Go, Althea, feed the fish.
I did. Touched it. Touch it. Oh, why is it hard? Yeah. Here you go.
Althea, look.
Just touch it already. Mama.
Mm.
Oh my god, can I touch the duck? Where did the duck go? The duck? There's a turtle. Oh my god, wait, there's actually a turtle. Oh my god, don't touch it. Don't touch it, they're gonna bite you. Hey, you didn't make it wet. Are we allowed to don't touch the turtle, they're gonna bite you. No, they're not. There they are.
Come here to the... Oh.
Mommy, can I feed the turtle? You want to swap?
One at a time. Not everything. Go, go. Touch the fish, oh.
I'll just put it in. Not so risky.
Oh.
Not so Mom, can I have a thing for the koi? The fish.
Mm.
Those are the wrong words.
This is for the fish, man.
So stacked.
Don't spill it. You go, Jed.
I don't want to put in the mouth. Mom, can you put the dogs?
You're wet na. Careful.
I can just take a bath. Oh, I forgot. I already took a bath. I'm so... Oh my god! Ateo! Oh my god!
Althea, tarong nga jacket ni mo. So cute. Look at the fish there, do. Go, Jed.
I don't have any more.
Oh, that's enough now. Get touch. There. You wait to your brother. Na. Okay na ni?
So give Althea to...
Please sit down. Ted, come here, Ted. You're dark there. Ted, sit down here. Give you poop. Ah, okay. Yeah, there's a poop. They move doon. There's a poop. You sit down, Ted.
You guys gotta hold these.
Hold properly. Good. That's okay. Tia, I put sabon-sabon.
Oh, they're all in here. It's tickling.
Ted. Si Ted, wala lagi si Ted.
Oh my god, that's nice. Oh my god. He's only one. I'll give you this back because you don't have time to really.
Oh, okay. Oh, Tia, ihatag na ni Ted mo ako. Oh. Ted. Okay, look at her, Tia.
Alright, you guys, I'm gonna have the ramekin from you guys. Alright, you guys can stand up and slide your feet coming out so you don't step on birds, okay?
Okay, go. Slow, ha.
Come on, everybody.
Go, Ted.
You guys just wait a second.
Look at the snake, my love.
Oh my god, it's a python.
python man dahil ni Uy.
Okay, so a bird.
Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Whoa, what was like 3 of those birds? I'm gonna feed the dog.
Napakoy usa ka coin. Come here na.
Oh, restroom right there. Okay, get it up.
Ang food sa bird.
Oh, yung ano mas
Paghatag niya, na-drop ni Ted. Kaya niduol man da yung bird.
niya, nasuko siya.
Ako siyang gingnan nga.
Why is there a low spot up there?
Shark, oh. Jit, look at the shark, Jit. Mm.
So that's a piranha.
That is not a piranha.
Guys, he's going to move the Chucky guy. Chucky guy is not.
Maybe that's a piranha.
Kangaroo. Oh, I have one coin. Oh, you feed the fish.
But Mom,
This is the last.
Buy one, ano, and you guys can all share.
Share, yeah.
Buy one of these, okay? Yeah.
Hi there.
You know?
Ang buto.
Okay, you guys not.
this is one more.
Babe, you see this?
Ka-cute. Ari mo feed? Okay, you can feed na. Feed na. You feed na. Oh, dito muna ka. Go inside.
Yeah, you can touch the dog.
Tia, careful ha. Shark.
Oh, there's a shark.
There's a shark there. No, shark.